Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. So, you're looking for ways to make money from home? Join the crowd! Thanks to a genius invention called the internet, we are discovering more and more creative ways to cushion our bank accounts from the comfort of home. Not sure where to start? Pour yourself a cup of coffee or a glass of wine and keep watching. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 legit ways to make money online. Make sure you stay until number 1 as you don't want to miss a great way to earn big with just your computer at home. Number 10. Create video tutorials on YouTube. Obviously, you know what YouTube is, and if you're an avid user, you've probably used this platform to look up some tutorials on how to do a certain thing. Whether it be recipe videos or videos on how to earn money online, YouTube is filled with tutorials. Did you know that you can earn big by creating your own tutorials? Sure, it won't make you lots of money overnight, but if you stick with it in the long run, you can earn lots. Find your niche, build your channel. Once you get some views and subscribers in, you can start monetizing your videos. Monetization on YouTube is a bit strict, so check out the rules and terms and make sure your videos are qualified. You can also find sponsorships. A sponsor will pay you to advertise their products or service on their channel. This is another great way to earn big. You can also start a Patreon. With this, you will allow subscribers to pay you a monthly fee to release new and sometimes exclusive content. Find out which method works best for you and get started today. Number 9. Answer professional questions. Do you have expertise in a certain field? While you can make money the obvious way, you can also earn some cash on the side by answering professional questions. You may have heard of ways to earn money by answering surveys. Well, this works in a similar way. There are always people looking for help online, and websites like Just Answer and LivePerson can help you connect to someone in need of your expertise. Make sure you have the correct knowledge in the field before answering these questions, because sites like these are always looking for reputable sources. People will have all sorts of questions, so be prepared to answer for a lot of different and individual circumstances. If you are sure you have the knowledge, you can sign up and start answering. It's simple, and depending on your field, you can earn a little or a lot. Try it out today. You may be surprised with just how much you can earn in a short period of time. Number 8. Create courses on Udemy. Online learning is having a moment right now. More and more people are switching to non-traditional ways of learning. It's easier than ever before to get a certificate on a certain subject, and this really helps people out. Websites like Udemy offer tons of courses that are great and affordable. These courses can rack up thousands of students. You know what else you can do on this site? You can earn. Udemy allows users to create their own course and then sell it. It doesn't work out for everyone, so do your research and see what is selling. Take a niche and create a nice presentation and sell it. You can set your price, so figure out how much you're expecting to earn. Make the classes affordable and interact with your students through discussion boards so they will recommend the class to others. Get the word out and you can soon have thousands of students in no time. Number 7. Write articles for other sites. Are you a writer? Need some extra cash? Why not try article writing? Article writing is a great way to earn money online, and there is always an opening for it. There are also many different types of article writings, so you can find one which suits you best. Maybe you're great at writing blog posts, maybe even informative writing. Writing comes in many different forms, and people are willing to hire you to help them out. At the start, this job won't earn you too much, but keep it up and you will build up a reputation. That reputation allows you to charge higher prices for your services. Either advertise your services or go out looking for specific jobs. If you are interested in expanding, you could even try your hand at copywriting and drafting emails. The possibilities for writing are endless, so find what's best for you. Number 6. Auction items on eBay. eBay is a wonderful site filled with just about everything you can imagine. Unlike other sites like Amazon, eBay allows people to bid on items, like an auction. You can take advantage of this and earn big by auctioning off your own items. You can auction off whatever you like, and for whatever starting price, so it's a great and flexible option. You can try your hand at flipping. Buy some items at a thrift store for cheap and sell them for high on eBay. If it's a desirable item, people will want to bid on it. The more people bidding, the higher you'll sell it for eventually. Make sure your items are clean and your listing looks nice, because that is what will really help it to sell. Try it with one item now, and then once you get the hang of it, you can start selling more and more. It doesn't take too much time and it can pay off really well. Number 5. Rent your home on Airbnb. Airbnb is a great platform. It has grown so much in the past years that it has given some hotels competition. Homeowners have turned their vacation homes into decked-out rental properties and made a huge profit through Airbnb, and you can do it too. Airbnb allows multiple types of properties to be rented out, from single rooms to unique spaces like tents. It is possible for nearly everyone to find a way to rent out property on Airbnb. You can start off by renting out a single room in your house. This will generate a small income, but you at least won't be spending too much on a whole other house. Once you have enough profit saved, you can invest in a second property and rent that out as well. The more properties you have, the higher your profit. Some people have made thousands of dollars a month on Airbnb, so try it out for yourself and see how much you can earn. Number 4. Sell products on Etsy. Etsy is a great website. You can find a bunch of artsy products on there, from knitted sweaters to custom pillowcases. It sure is a hotbed for creativity. So, if you're creative, you may want to consider selling some products on Etsy for yourself. This is a great and fun way to make money online. Making money on Etsy is super simple. Create a product and sell it. You should find a niche so that you can then find a target market. A niche is a specific category you can fit your product into. This category will have an audience already attached to it, so they can easily find your product. See what's selling and try to make a unique version of it. With Etsy, you can make stickers, pins, all kinds of art. Many young people are selling on Etsy and the payoff is obvious. This kind of online job can be fun if you're creative, and that can motivate you to sell more. Set your prices and schedule with this flexible job. Number 3. Become a driver. Uber and Lyft are outselling taxis nowadays. If you need a ride, it is convenient to just pull out your phone and have a car come and pick you up in minutes. This platform is changing the transportation industry, and all of the employees are just regular people like you. It is simple to get started with becoming an Uber or Lyft driver, so why not try it out? You will need to qualify first, obviously, but really all you need is a valid driver's license and a car that qualifies for their services. Apply to the job and wait to get accepted. Simple. These services run off of rating systems, so make sure you get high ratings with each ride you deliver. Offer amenities such as chargers or candy. Maybe even play some nice music that your passengers will like. All of this will assure that you keep the job and get great pay. Number 2. Build an online store with Shopify. E-commerce is huge right now. So many people have online stores. Selling online is a great way to make money. In fact, many people do this already as a main source of income. The issue with most online shop websites is that you will either have to pay a fee or have a cut taken out of your sales. To fix this, just host your own web store. Shopify is an intuitive way of creating your own online store. With this platform, you can build a transactional website on your own. It helps take the hassle and hard work out of building your own shop. According to the company, you can start selling in seconds. With it being that fast and simple, why not try it out? You even get to sell whatever you like. Your shop, your rules. Many merch sellers use Shopify and have had great success from it, so this is definitely a great way to make some money online. Number 1. Sell photos online. Do you ever need stock images? If you have visited these stock image websites, you can see just how steep some of their pricing can be. That means that stock image sellers are earning quite a decent amount, and with a camera and a vision, you can join in on this. Here's what you can do. These stock image sites rely on photographers to add their vast collection of photos that can then be licensed out for use in all sorts of media. You too can be one of these photographers. Take photos of anything, really, and sign up for their website as a photographer. Like many other things on this list, it is helpful to find a niche. Maybe you can photograph flowers or people in different situations. See what's lacking in their collection. Be unique. That is the key to sell with this job. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.